Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I'm Shazib Abbas Kamar. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 version 17.8 for the Mission Planner. First, you need to download the installer of Visual Studio. After downloading the installer of Visual Studio, you need to download the configuration file for the Visual Studio that required to compile the Mission Planner. You need to download vs 2022.vs config file. You can look at this file in GitHub of Mission Planner. Download it. After downloading the configuration file, you need to run a command in command line. The installer required continue, so click on continue. Basically, this command forces to Visual Studio installer to load the version 17.8 and also load the configuration of Visual Studio for the Mission Planner. If Visual Studio installer not loading the modules, please use VPN. After entering this command, you can see the Visual Studio installer begun. It will take some time to load the all modules that required to compile the mission planner. After loading, just click on the install. After click on install, it shows that Microsoft not maintaining some packages longer. They need to be removed. As you can see, the installation takes some time, so I am cutting the video. So as you can see, the installation of Visual Studio 2022 version 17.8 is installed. Now I am going to cloning the mission planner to verify the tool we installed for the compilation of mission planner is successfully completed or not. Microsoft provides the feature of developer settings, so you need to enable it. After pressing the compilation, it depends on your internet speed and machine speed to compile the mission planner. For the internet speed to download the nuggets, machine speed for the processing to compile the mission planner. It will take normally 10 to 20 minutes. Thank you very much for the watching. As you can see, we successfully compiled the mission planner.